All right. We're here on DeAnthony Gordley, and I think it's for a bond reduction. All right. Are you ready to proceed on this?
Yes, Judge.
All right, the court is calling 2025 CR 00706 State versus DeAnthony Gordley. Could I have parties announced?
Dr. Whitlock for the state of Texas.
Robert Ramirez for Mr. Gordley, Your Honor.
All right, and Mr. Gordley is here by Zoom. Defense, do you have any objection to your client being present by Zoom?
No, Your Honor.
State any objections?
No, Judge.
All right, Mr. Gordley, if you can unmute for me, please. All right, hello. Mr. Gordley, you're appearing by Zoom. You can be allowed to appear in person in court. Do you have any objections to appearing by Zoom?
No, ma'am.
All right, so I'm going to mute you now and again because sometimes there's noise that comes from your end because it's at the jail. So, all right. All right, so we're here on defense motion requesting a PR bond or either to reduce bond. Is there an agreement or no?
The state does not believe there's an agreement.
All right, and state you're opposed to the PR bond?
Yes, Judge.
All right, and why are you opposed to the PR bond?
The state would argue just the type of offense and that the state believes the original bond set, I believe it was
500
would be appropriate for this offense. And yeah, that's the state.
All right, so, and defense, what I can tell you is based upon what he's charged with and based upon the new, based upon what the governor has stated and given to the court, I'm not allowed to give him a PR bond for harassment of a public servant. Those are not my rules. These are the rules that I must follow. I tell everyone, it doesn't matter how I feel about something. I'm just going to follow the law. So he's not entitled to a PR bond. The court is not going to grant him a PR bond. We can talk about the bond reduction though. And if you would like to present evidence.
Yes, Your Honor. I'd like to call my client to testify on this case.
All right, Mr. Gordley, if you can raise your right hand for me, please. Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
DeAnthony Gordley.
All right, sir, you may proceed.
Mr. Gordley, have you tried to make bond on the 7,500?
Yes, sir, I have.
And why have you not been successful?
I don't have like the resources or the people out there to help me. So I've been in here by myself trying to do it.
Well, what about your mother and father?
They're both deceased.
Okay. And I was aware of that when I asked that question. I just wanted to make that for the court. Well, what do you do for a living?
I dance and basically just make videos, and I work when I can, but I can't right now.
Were you able to save up any money while you were working as a dancer and making videos?
I was, but I don't have any access to my funds because I don't have my wallet in here, nor do I have my phone.
Okay. I've spoken with your sister. Has your sister been able to make contact with these funds?
No.
Okay. And where does she live?
She actually lives with someone that I don't even know.
Okay. But she's not in San Antonio area?
She's just not stable.
Okay. So, okay. But you understand that you would have to make, we talked about the PR bond. The court just told us that this offense does not qualify as a PR bond. if the court could reduce the bond to a certain amount, would you be able to possibly make that with possible assistance from outside?
I'm not 100% sure, but it's possible. It's possible.
Okay. All right. I have no further questions, Your Honor.
All right, any questions?
No questions from the state, Your Honor.
All right. Mr. Gordley, I just have a few questions. Any objections to the court asking a few questions?
No, Your Honor.
None from the state.
All right, Mr. Gordley, have you ever had any type of diagnosis for mental health issues?
When I was younger, I think it was ADHD, but I don't, nothing since I've been grown.
Have you ever been prescribed any type of medications for mental health?
Not that I know of, no, ma'am.
All right. Have you ever in the past used any type of controlled substances?
If weed is a controlled substance, yes.
Yeah, it counts as a controlled substance.
Well, yes, ma'am.
Anything other than that?
No, ma'am.
All right. And do you have any type of, I know your counsel said that, asked you whether or not you had funds, and you said you don't have any access to those funds. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am, correct.
All right. So if you had access to funds, how much approximately would you have access to?
Honestly, I wouldn't be able to tell you that exact amount because it's like, so I get paid from Facebook and Instagram and TikTok and stuff like that because I post videos. Okay. So I don't know. It varies every month. It varies. It could be 200. It could be 1,000. It could be something within that range. But I don't know for sure because I didn't get to post as many videos as I did since I've been in here. I've been in here, going on 5 months now. So I don't have, I wouldn't be able to tell you exactly what's there because it's not residual income.
Okay. And I have no further questions. Oh, I'm sorry. One more question. If you are able to make bond, where would you have a place to live?
Yes, I will.
Would you be living with anyone?
Yes, I would.
And who would you be living with?
Most likely my girlfriend.
And does she have any children?
No, ma'am.
All right. So there would be no minors in the home?
No, ma'am.
All right. Thank you. All right. State, do you have any information on Mr. Gordley's criminal history?
Yes, Judge. Give me one moment. The state sees minimal juvenile history, but in 2018, probation for
Asked you whether or not you had funds, and you said you don't have any access to those funds. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am, correct.
All right. So if you had access to funds, how much approximately would you have access to?
Honestly, I wouldn't be able to tell you that exact amount because it's like, so I get paid from Facebook and Instagram and TikTok and stuff like that because I post videos. Okay. So I don't know. It varies every month. It varies. It could be 200. It could be 1,000. It could be something within that range. But I don't know for sure because I didn't get to post as many videos as I did since I've been in here. I've been in here, going on 5 months now. So I don't have, I wouldn't be able to tell you exactly what's there because it's not residual income.
Okay. And I have no further questions. Oh, I'm sorry. One more question. If you are able to make bond, where would you have a place to live?
Yes, I will.
Would you be living with anyone?
Yes, I would.
And who would you be living with?
Most likely my girlfriend.
And does she have any children?
No, ma'am.
All right. So there would be no minors in the home?
No, ma'am.
All right, thank you. All right, State, do you have any information on Mr. Gordley's criminal history?
Yes, Judge. Give me one moment. The state sees minimal juvenile history, but in 2018, probation for an unlawful carry of weapon. And that would be the extent of the history, Your Honor.
All right, no violent history?
No violence.
All right. Then, Mr. Gordley, one final question. What amount of bond are you able to make?
Honest, I don't have any funds right now. Like I would have to reach out to my people and see what they will be able to come up with, but I wouldn't be able to even tell you a number. I don't even want to lie to you, Judge.
Oh, no. I'm just trying to figure things out. All right, so the court is going to grant the motion to reduce bond. State, I know that you're not in agreement to the reduction of the bond, but you now know that the court is going to reduce the bond.
Yes, Judge.
So is there any request from the state with regards to a reduction in the bond?
The state would rather hear defense's suggestion and be able to agree with it. if
All right,
that's
thank you.
possible.
Yes. All right, defense, what are you requesting for a bond amount?
$500, Your Honor.
The state was hoping he'd say 1,000, but the state would not make a very effortful fight against said suggestion.
All right, I'm going to set his bond at $1,500. There's to be no residing with minors. All right, and if for some reason he's unable to make the $1,500, counsel, you can always come back and you can come back immediately. But
Yes, Your Honor.
my hands are tied, and we can go off the record. My hands are tied in the sense that he hasn't really expressed to the court the amount of money he has access to. So we'll start out with $1,500 and see where we are.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
You're
Thank y'all
welcome.
so much.
Thank you.
Thank you all. That being all may be excused, Your Honor.
Yes.
Okay.